What is rising action? So, rising action is all of the conflict in the story, in the script, in the movie. Everything after the inciting incident, right? The inciting incident, once again, is the incident that jumpstarts your character onto the journey. So, once that character's on the journey, everything after that up until you get, which is the next one, the climax, is all that conflict building up. All that rising action is conflict that's building up until you get your climax. So remember, rising action is all the conflict. Remember, here's a tip: make sure that the journey for the hero is not easy. People want to see drama. People want to see failure. People want to see these characters broken, because when you get towards the resolution falling out, action, they want to be like, oh, I'm so happy they made it. Oh, it was so hard to get there, right? You can't make the journey easy. Make that character suffer so there's a great payoff at the end of the book or movie.